Welcome to our channel. Today we have a Polo diesel variant which has come for upgradation of BMC Air Filter. So right now you can just have a look at this. So this is the BMC Air Filter which is going to be replaced for the stock one. So you can just have a look at it. And right now we are going to remove the original air filter and we will be replacing with the BMC Air Filter in this. So stay tuned and watch our videos. These are the BMC Air Filters, Performance Air Filters, which we install for all the vehicles as per the customer requirement. So anybody who is really interested for petrol as well as diesel cars, you can just contact us. So which gives a better revving as well as better performance on this filters. So this is basically made in Italy. You can just have a look at it. The complete details is available here. And this is the stock air filter. You can just have a look at it. And this is the latest new model BMC air filter. There is no replacement in the filters. It is a stock filter which is going to be installed in the same filter box. So you can just have a look at it. This is the stock fitting which is going to be fitted in the stock position itself. There is no changes in this. Right now the work is completely done, so everything is being fitted in the stock itself. There's no replacement or anything like that. Right now we are going to start the engine and show you the noise of the vehicle. It will be like a stock filter itself. There will not be any changes. You can just check out. Right now the vehicle is started and it's in the stock condition itself. There's no changes, but it would give a good performance for the vehicle. So anybody who is really interested, any guys who are really interested to buy this BMC air filters with us, you can just contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. Please like and subscribe our channel, and we are based in Bangalore. Thank you.